How to fix Instagram delete notification issue. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll go through the steps on how you can fix delayed Instagram notifications issue. Well, the process is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me go through. In order to fix delayed Instagram notifications, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and check the notification settings for your Instagram. Tap on Instagram icon there, tap and hold on it, So tap and hold on it and then tap on eye icon there at the top right. Then you can see notifications options, tap on it and you want to turn this off once if it is already enabled and then enable it back again. You can see the configuration pop up here, allowed or not allowed. You want to check for it as well. However, if you're having the issue even if the notification is on, scroll down here and head into stories. Once on the stories, you can tap on clear cache and this will fix the issue. If it doesn't, however, you can come back and tap on clear data here on this page. However, make sure that your account will get deleted. All the data from your app will be deleted, so you will be logged out of your account. You want to make sure that you have backup to your account so that you can log in back again in case, so that you don't lose access to your account. So hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.